today?
Now that our bodies are energized, I think nakaka-charge na sila at least 60%. Kaya ang iba, nung napabibig, pamilya sa score nila sa exam at sila grado, o mga do out of mind, yun sila, upset, yun sila sa school. So, in today's fast-changing world where education, technology, and career paths shift so quickly, it is important to stay grounded and prepared.
So as freshies, you are not just preparing for a job, but also for a profession that requires purpose, empathy, and readiness.
So these sessions will help you understand yourself better, prepare for real challenges, and gain insights that will guide your future decisions.
So while you listen, think about this question. What kind of future psychologist and person do I want to become?
So ano gid ba lang kasi ng tao or psikologista gusto ko bang maging? So as early as first year,
Yes, so samtang ka-speak karon ang aton na speaker, ma-reflect man ta kung anong klase na psychologist or anong klase na tao ta in the future ang gusto ta maging. So, our speaker today is Ms. Kristen Reyes Vasquez, RGC, currently serving as Guidance Counselor 3 at Doña Montserrat Lopez Memorial High School in Silay City, and also working as a guidance consultant at Colegio de Santa Ana de Victoria.
Ms. Bridget is a guidance counselor and an educational and child advocate dedicated to empowering learners with resilience, integrity, and compassion. She has strong expertise in counseling, career guidance, mental health, value formation, child protection, peer facilitation and mentoring, gender and development, and cooperative governance. Through her work, she reaches families, schools, and communities to nurture value-driven individuals who can contribute meaningfully to our society.
She previously served as Guidance Counselor 1 at Doña Montserrat Lopez Memorial High School from 1998 to 2022, and now continues her service as Guidance Counselor 3 from 2023 up to the present.
She completed her Master's of Science in Guidance and Counseling at the University of Rizal Bacolod and her Bachelor's of Arts in Psychology at Colegio de San Agustin, Bacolod.
She is also affiliated with the Philippine Guidance and Counseling Association, Negros Occidental Chapter. And also, it's her birthday today, partner.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's warmly welcome
Miss Kristen Reyes Vasquez.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to
So once again, happy birthday, Miss Kristen Reyes Vasquez.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. Hello. Hi. Thank you so much for letting me. Here's here with you this morning. Thinking reminiscing of the days of my baccalaureate in the psychological realm of psychology, the Department of Psychology. My talk this morning is a twofold topic. on self-awareness, the very basic of it. I thought you are for your college students, but you are the first year, okay, it's a good thing. Ano kami sa basic, fundamentals of it. And it would be on self-awareness and that foundational or the core life skills. They were all would be wondering and checking with me why I chose these two topics. I was given time. And with only 40 minutes to be with you, but I guess they said I could give it in an hour or more than an hour. Ay hindi, gusto mo, kamot-kamulong siya. Narinig siya if you could understand it quickly kung how be, kung anong buwan kasi hindi. How would be speaking in English and in English. Ilong mo ang English. Okay, on the emotional level, what's your emotional scale this morning? From the time you woke up this morning till now, I'm confident. Wow. You are happy? Right? Feeling good. Your emotions, your feelings. Sino ka ba feel for? Raise your hand. And then, who are feeling happy? Wala nang feeling poor. Wala nang feeling happy. Anong feeling nyo? Happy. Average. When you say it's average, paano ka puntaw kung mahinas ka? Exams sa akin. Tapos na, wala ka. Kala ka sugod. At di karon. Or sa afternoon. Bigla kang luon. At tuon.